Hello everyone, welcome to Iman Hostel, and in today's video I'm gonna be introducing to you a new coming networking platform called Megawave. But before that, my name is Emmanuel. Basically what I do in the channel that I make videos how to make money online. What I do is that I try this online. If I find out something working for me, I record video by showing you guys what I'm doing so that I can do something and get exact same results. So all I want you to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification if you are new right here. So as you can see, the name of the website, Megawave, Wave of Financial Stability. So this website will be launching on the 1st of April, and this website have a lot of amazing features that you don't have to miss. So right here you can see their earning structures. Right here you can see that registration fee is 4,000 naira, and this website there's nothing like welcome bonus, but you earn 750 naira daily. They have morning task, afternoon tasks, and evening tasks. So you have to watch the video to the very end so that you understand everything about this website. So right here, the morning task, afternoon task, and evening tasks. Morning 250, afternoon 250, evening 250. So you can see that the referral bonus right here, when you refer someone, you're gonna be earning 3,100 naira. Indirect referral right here is 250 naira. Second indirect earning right here is 100 naira, and I also have third indirect referral right here, which is 50 naira. And the minimum withdrawal right here is 5,600 for people that refer affiliate earners, and minimum withdrawal for non-affiliate earnings right here is 900 naira. So and right here, if you come right here, you can see that Megawave is not only for Nigeria, it's Ghana, South Africa, Cameroon. So you can see their earning structures right here. So right here, you can see the advantages of being a Megawave. A Megawave can transfer his earning to another user, no matter how small. Megawaves can use the activity earnings to buy data directly from site. Non-referrals earn 3 times daily, morning, afternoon, night. Chance to every user has the ability to sell Megawave online courses and earn 80%. Free Megawave skills every week on Megawave worth 200k. So you can see the advantages of being a Megawave. Right here you can see how does Megawave pay non-referrals. So you can see each task every non-referral perform on Megawave is one that brings in money to their platform. So right here you can see adding up WhatsApp TVS, simple social task, streaming of music, songs, and audio, Apple Song, Boomplay. It is earning from publishing ebooks with affiliate buy to market, subscribing to YouTube channel, joining Telegram channels, commenting on posts. So with that is the task that can be performing on Megawave and be earning 750 naira daily. Right here you can see all features leads to success on Megawave. And the ebook, you can see the ebook, you can post your ebook, you can make millions posting ebooks on Megawave. You can earn 80% of capital selling any ebook on Megawave. So right here, Megawave is a financial stability. So right here you can see they have freelance features right here. So you can see Megawave, they have a lot of amazing features right here. As a registered Megawave user, you can bet for free on Megawave and win and earn from there. You can see huge prize for the promoters that win 24 hours betting contest. So right here you can see Megawave digital skills. Megawave offer weekly free skills. You can see you can learn a lot from Megawave: web development, graphic design, video animation, photo editing, app creation, social media ads, WhatsApp monetization, ebook freelance, WhatsApp TV starting. So all this you can learn from Megawave every week. So greatness is sure on Megawave. Don't miss out. So this website is actually launching on the, as you can see right here. So I see right here, we are registered. Megawave is now officially approved and certified by the federal government of Nigeria. As you can see it right here, Megawave have been registered on federal government of Nigeria to tell you how reliable they are. So right here, this website right here is, I recommend you to join us. Let's make money from, let's make millions from this website. So the first link in the description is links to the WhatsApp group. Just join the group. More information will be in group. And the first link there, just join the group or WhatsApp me. You will see the link in the description right there. Just WhatsApp me for more information on this Megawave. So you can also join the group. So right here, if this is your first time watching my video, all I do is that I make videos how to make money online. So if this is your first time, just subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. Thank you for watching.